In this video, I'm going to show you how to use email links inside your deadline funnel campaign. Now, I'm going to assume that you've already created your deadline funnel campaign and you've linked your email autoresponder. For the sake of this video, I've connected my ConvertKit account, and once you've done that, you're going to want to come across to emails in the left-hand side. Inside, you're going to see your email links here. Now, I've only linked one landing page, so there is only one link here. But if you had connected multiple landing pages, you would see a different link for each of those landing pages to use inside of your emails. Now, it's worth noting that this code at the end here, this formatting, will be different for each email autoresponder. So it's massively important that you select the options of the autoresponder you plan to use to paste that link into. So as I said before, I'm using ConvertKit, so I will now copy this link. I'll then go across to ConvertKit, and then inside the email sequence or broadcast, I can select any text or add new text. And then I can highlight that text and select Add Link. And then click Add Link. And now that link will automatically go through to my deadline funnel landing page that is inside here. So this link will redirect to the page that I have connected inside my deadline funnel campaign. Now, it's worth noting, if you would like to update this page at any time, you can always select Edit Settings here and just change this page here. That URL will automatically update in the email itself. I will not have to change the link here inside of my email campaign. Deadline Funnel will automatically update that for you. Now, if you've got any questions about adding links to your email campaigns or anything else, feel free to email us at help@deadlinefunnel.com or click the chat bar on the side of this landing page.